Hey people, how are you today? I hope you all are doing fine, doing great. Because of some reasons, I know sometimes you get these lessons late, these videos late, and I understand that we all are learning together, so it's important to get videos on time and to learn day by day. But unfortunately, sometimes it's impossible for me to do this daily because I have some other works, my main works. I have to complete them first, and when I get time, I do this for you and for me, of course. So that's why I would like to beg your pardon for this, but I can give you surety that this will be going on sooner or later. This will be going on. You will be learning. We all will be learning together. Let's move on now. As you already know, the way to say I want, quiero. Now to ask the question, do you want? There is a slight change. ¿Quieres? Do you want? ¿Quieres? Ask it in a questioning tone, as we already know. ¿Quieres? Now you can ask, what do you want? ¿Qué quieres? Exactly. ¿Qué quieres? What do you want? ¿Qué quieres? Sometimes you just get annoyed from people. Someone is irritating you by asking something and something again and again. Then you can simply say in a very, very serious tone, what do you want? ¿Qué quieres? What do you want? Alright? You have it. You remember? You have it. Lo tienes. Do you have it? Lo tienes. Don't you have it? No lo tienes. Don't you have it? No lo tienes. Don't you have it for me now? Don't you have it for me now? No lo tienes para mí ahora. No lo tienes para mí ahora. Don't you have it for me now? No lo tienes para mí ahora. Sorry, but it's not very good. Someone is asking your opinion and you want to say truth. There is nothing to say lie. You should say truth while telling someone to your opinion. Then simply say, sorry, it's not very good. Lo siento, pero no es muy bueno. What to do? Sorry, it's not very good. Lo siento, pero no es muy bueno. Sorry, it's not very good. Just tell the truth from here so that the person will improve from next time. I hope you understand that. Thank you.